Hello and welcome, guys. My name is Gaurav Aswani, and today I'm going to talk about when to sell. Yeah, right. Now we know whom to sell, whom not to sell, what to sell. Okay, now it's time to know about when to sell. Do you remember the customer value journey we have talked about in my previous videos? Okay, so what actually happened? We take our customer from level A to level B for free, and then level B to C. So the level B to C is a process where we offer the paid service to our clients, to customers. So understand this. The level B to C is the correct time to sell your product, to offer your product to your customers, because you have already provided the free value to your customers, which is going to help you to sell your product at the time the customer is on the level B. So, do you guys remember the in my previous video I talked about an example of my e-commerce website. On that e-commerce website I used to sell the grocery products. Okay, so how I can implement this process, which is A to B, B to C, in my example. So what I do, I just simply offer them the free home delivery of the products they buy from my website, no matter what the total amount is. Okay, for 1 month they'll get the free home delivery of the products. So this is where I finished my journey from level A to level B. After 1 month, if they want to get the like free home delivery, what I can offer them the membership card for my website. So the customer will get the free delivery no matter what the total amount of the his purchase. Okay, so this is how I can implement this process, when to sell or A to B, B to C journey in my example. No matter what your business or what product you are selling, you can find where you can offer your clients something for free, and later on you can offer the service or the product which is going to be a paid product or the paid service. So as if you see, I'm not offering something for free, but what I'm doing is I'm giving them an opportunity or an offer to like to get a free home delivery for a certain time. But if they want to continue that service, they can go for the membership program. So this is how it works in every business. Do you know why I added that membership program in my service? Because whenever client customer purchase any product from my website, it's the minimum limit of the purchase is 3000 rupees. So if the customer is not buying the product of 3000 rupees, they are not going to get the free home delivery. So this is a simple logic I used. I just offered them 1 month free like home delivery, and later on if they want to continue, then they can buy the membership program where they can get the free home delivery. So that is it. What do you think about this example of mine? Let me know in the comment section below. Till then, take care, have a good day.